Welcome back, I'm the Average Cuber, and in this video, I'm going to be going over some neat looking 6x6 designs and just cool ways to turn the cube. So first, we've got to start with solving the center, just like that. So there's all the centers, and then next we have the edges. Crap, I meant to solve the whole thing. All right, cool, that's what I was talking about. All right, so let's see what the next one is. I think I'm gonna do this. All right, and then, the most common ones. The 3x3. And then there's this one. I feel like this is a fairly common one. And then we've got this one, which is normally just in parity until you start adding more sides like this. See, now there's a few more, and then look, just like that, the rest of them are done. See? These are all done. Every side has been flipped. That. Then I'm gonna do one last thing to it, and here that is. All the edges are still flipped, and then I did the centers, and then I did these edge pieces right here. So all of the centers have these pieces flipped, all the centers are flipped, and then all these outer pieces are flipped as well. There we go. And here it is, back in a solid state. Alright, so that is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.